How you going, mate? So first things first, you're going to download mamp, and what I'll do, I'll try and figure out, once you've got mamp, you'll open mamp, and we'll obviously start it. You can get mamp Pro off Pirate Bay. If you get the free version, it's going to look a bit different to this, yeah? It's going to be a smaller window and just have these options up here, I think. And to access your PHP My Admin, instead of going here, you can just go to webstar, which you'll have on the free version. And that'll open up this. You can change all your stuff, whatever you want to do here. And yeah, here's all your databases, so on and so forth. But to get Dreamweaver to communicate between the two, just wait for that to open. I should have already had this open. Alright, so just here, you'll see this little drop down, and we'll go to manage sites, and we'll go to new site, and you'll call this, oh, I don't know, whatever. You want this to shoot at mamp itself, I think. Just let me have a look at my actual database for a second. So the HT docs, we'll just copy that. Oh yeah, we can continue from here, I guess. So yeah, you want to call your site whatever you want to call it. Can be anything really, it doesn't really matter. You want your local site folder to be pointed to HT docs. So just copy that pathway there, and I'll explain it to you in a second. And then go over to servers. You want to make sure you got both of these ticked, and then just go ahead and save. I'll just cancel everything. Okay, so once you've connected to your database, this little plug here, we can connect to your remote server. Now all these files are what you're going to be working on. So they are placed, I hope I'm not confusing. Go to applications and then scroll down and look for mamp. Mine's just here. We'll open that up. This is a bit of a mess, you're just going to have to deal with it. We go to HT docs, and this is where you'll stick all your files. So you could have all your sites in particular folders, or if that makes sense. So everything in this folder here is accessed on the side once you've connected to your server. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. And then once you're up here, we can click on Dreamweaver, go File, go New. It's up to you really what you do. I'm just doing this for the example. I have these 4 options lit up, and down here you can do your code, apply source formatting, just to check where you're formatting, you know what I mean? Which is pretty cool. And I'm sure you know how to code. So that's pretty much the movie, I guess. Alright mate, talk to you soon.